One of the great things about buying vintage furniture and interiors is that they're generally very unique. You'll find that vintage items are really old, they've got lots of character. You'll find that the colors have worn over time, and I think what people are increasingly wanting from their interiors are really unique interiors that reflect their individual style and their personality. What you'll also find is a lot of items are fantastically well made. You'll find that the workmanship of items that were made 50 years ago, 100, even 200 years ago, it's really good. You'll find joints have dovetail joints, the materials, the woods, the nails, the screws, the workmanship generally was just all hand done with fantastic quality. And you'll find that pieces that were built 100 years ago will last for another 50 years, another 100 years without a problem. So here are some items that I've got here. These are old brick molds, super tough, really strong, used for making bricks for houses. And even pieces like these chests, you can see the worn color along here, and cabinets like this blue one up here. So, you know, people really do like pieces that have character and have a story and a history behind them, and everything we have here has previously been used either commercially or it's been used at home, and we know exactly where they're from, the woods, the stories, the meanings and behind the decoration and the symbolism behind them. Vintage overall it's fantastic in that it has a very low impact on the environment, and it allows people to collect items that are unique and other people are just not going to be able to have.